Hello, this is Paul Milligan for Innovate TV at Frankfurt Pro Light and Sound 2018. Thanks for joining us. I'm joined today by Dimitri from Luminex. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Luminex is not a name I'm hugely familiar with, I have to admit. I'm sorry about that.
No problem.
Could you tell me a bit about the company, why you're at the show this year, and the sort of products that we can expect from you guys?
Exactly. So Luminex is a Belgian manufacturer of networking equipment for AV installations. So we're not an IT company, we're an AV company. Where we make the difference is that we make switches to transport protocols from one point to another. So for example, from a server room to a conference room, or from in live events from front of house to stage. And the end user doesn't need any IT knowledge to configure the system. So everything is pre-programmed, where you normally need a lot of IT knowledge. Everything is done for you. And you can combine intercom system, audio, lighting, video, all over the same network without needing to have IT knowledge. That's exactly where we make the difference. And that's the purpose. Because we feel that AV technicians don't always have the IT knowledge to set up a switch, so they hire IT engineers, and that's exactly where we want to make them comfortable, because everybody can use the system.
Sure. So your customers then are they integrators and consultants, or are they end users, or is it all of those three?
Originally we came from the live industry, so we had a lot of touring companies that were buying Luminex, but now we're also setting up, because we made an install switch now, so install version of our switches, and now we are actually, everybody can use it. So we see convention centers, we see theme parks, we see sports arenas like the Chelsea football stadium, for example, the Place Bell in Montreal. We're using a lot of our switches. So.
Sure. So in terms of the end application, then it's pretty varied. Sounds like.
Yeah, it's varied because well, like we said, video, audio, lighting, and the intercom system can travel over the system. So where we sometimes see solely audio companies buying the Luminex, we see some complete integrators, and it's also that you can combine the system of ours into an existing IT infrastructure, so which makes it interesting for system integrating companies as well. Yes.
Sure. And finally, what's new on the stand this year, or are you launching anything this year that our viewers should be aware of?
Yes, so we're launching the new RPSU, so it's a redundant power supply unit for our install switch, the 26i, because of course redundancy is extremely important inside convention centers, for example, or during live gigs. A second thing we are showing is our AVB implementation. AVB is an audio-visual, it's called audio-visual bridge, and it's a new protocol, not a new protocol, but it's a protocol inside the audio world. Yeah. And now that we integrated that, we have actually integrated all the protocols that are being used inside the AV world at the moment. So that's where we are now the switch for every application. Wow. That's what we're showing.
Dimitri, thanks for your time. It's great to find out about you guys, and certainly one I'll be keeping an eye on. Thank you.
Thank you so much.